Welcome to İkya Paradise Villas, a luxurious residential project located in the beautiful Bektaş, Alanya. This project offers a total plot area of 5,215 square meters, which includes 16 typical villas and 2 VIP villas. The typical villas have a dimension of 3+1 and cover an area of 226 square meters. They come with a green area of 233 to 375 square meters and a parking lot for 2 cars. You can enjoy your leisure time with a swimming pool that ranges from 24 to 52 square meters and a barbecue area. The villas also feature a large terrace, 4 bathrooms, a jacuzzi, and a dressing room. If you are looking for more space and luxury, the VIP villas with a dimension of 4+1 and covering an area of 270 to 281 square meters is perfect for you. They come with a green area of 322 to 355 square meters, a swimming pool ranging from 38 to 47 square meters, and a barbecue area. The villas also include a study room, 4 bathrooms, a jacuzzi, and a dressing room. The project's location is ideal, with a distance of 3.9 kilometers to the sea, 3.5 kilometers to the center of Alanya, and 5 kilometers to the hospital. The airport is also easily accessible, located 45 kilometers away. Construction is scheduled to begin in December 2022 and expected to be completed by June 2024, giving you ample time to plan your dream home. To explore the location, you can find the link in the description below. Thank you for considering İkya Paradise Villas as your new home.